were at the morning hours, just about crossing it. My name is Professor Ejeku Emmanuel Oloja. Ejeku Emmanuel. Thank you. My name is Ejeku Emmanuel Oloja. I am an associate professor of Art and Arts. I teach at the University of Abuja. And I presided. Hello? I was the collection officer at the local government level for governorship elections. My PO is here. My EO is here.
Ochege Paul is my name, the electoral officer in charge of Kababuno local government. Ochege Paul is my name, electoral officer Kababuno local government.
Thank you, EO. The results on the spreadsheet is what you can see before me here. And from the results here, the total number of registered voters in the number of... Okay. Go ahead. Are they ready? Okay, thank you. From the spreadsheet in front of me here, which we collected as results were forwarded from the areas and the wards, showed that the total number of registered voters in that area council is 74789. 74789. And the total number of accredited voters was 26660. 26660. The scores for the parties, as it stands according to the strengths that were demonstrated by voters in that local government area, shows that Party A scored 1 vote. 0-1. Party AAC scored 09 votes. 09 votes. Party AD scored 13 votes. 13 votes. Party ADC scored 37 votes. 37 votes. Party ADP scored 24 votes. 24 votes. Party ANRP scored 05 votes. 05 votes. Party APC scored 15364. 15364 votes. APC. Abga. Sorry. I should go back.
No, wait. Okay. 15364.
15364. Yes, that figure is correct. Abga scored 05 votes. 05. GDPN scored no vote. 0 vote. GPN scored 01 vote. 01 vote. HDP scored 0 vote. 0 vote. JMPP scored 0 vote. 0 vote. MAJA, Maja, scored 02 votes. 02. NCP scored 06 votes. 06. PDP scored 8084 votes. 8084. PPN scored 14 votes. 14. 14. PPP scored. Still off. Something is happening somewhere.
Okay, please go back from Maja.
Okay.
Yes.
We should go and begin from Maja.
Maja, yes, please.
Okay. Okay. Maja had 02 votes. Maja 02. The NCP 06. NCP 06 votes. PDP 8084. 8084 votes. PPN 14 votes. PPN 14 votes. PPP 05. PPP 05 votes. PRP 04 votes. PRP 04 votes. UDP 12 votes. 12. UPC 01 vote. 01. UPC. I said UPC. UPC 01. YDP 03. YDP 03. YPP 08. Yes, YPP 08. ZLP 1 vote. ZLP 1 vote. APN 06 votes. APN 06 votes. SDP 364 votes. 364 votes. By the implication of this, there are two outcomes here. The total number of valid votes 23969. 23969. Then the second unit that work together here rejected votes 422. 422 rejected votes. And then we have the total sum of votes cast as 24391. 24391. That's the total votes cast. And Prof. Sir, I want to report to you that there were some few issues in some few places.
Mention the exact number, not few.
Yes. And I have the summary here. There were 2 registration areas, about 5 registration areas that were confronted with some issues. Majorly among them was a registration area with code number 404. The total number of polling units affected there was all the polling units. All the polling units there were affected. And the reason was that the total number of There are four. There are four. Yes, there are four. 4 polling units. All the polling units were affected. And the simple reason was that after they had collected results from the polling units, and they brought those same results to the RACO at the level of area council. How do you call it? Ward collation. He was collecting. The young men and women were bringing him results, and suddenly there was firing of gunshots very sporadically and continuous for over a few minutes, that everybody had to run out of that place. He too took cover, used the sense of an adult, lied down because he thought that because police were very close, he didn't want to stand up that he could meet a stray bullet. So once it subsided, the police went and recovered him from here. They were even thinking maybe a bullet had hit him. So when they went there, they discovered that nothing had happened to him. They quickly put him in their vehicle. First of all, they took him to their office, and then they got the vehicle and brought him to us at the area council collection center. That was how we rescued that one. So those results were cancelled. In fact, there was no result, so there's nothing to record. Then the second one happened I said the total number of registered voters is 6422. 6422. The code for each of the units. Okay. The code for each of the units 001, 002, 003, 004, 005 in that order to 9. Yes, up to 9. Up to 9. And
hold on. You said initially 4 PUs. Now you are saying 9. So which one is correct?
Prof.
Yes.
Please, sorry.
Please.
I read a wrong line.
Okay.
The line I was supposed to read
was
my item 4.
Take it all over again.
Okay, very good. Let me start from the beginning. Now, I said the total number of registration areas
affected.
There were 6.
Okay.
There were 6. Let me take them chronologically so that I will not miss out.
Take it clearly.
The first is Ayewa. Ayewa code 5. Then one polling unit was affected in Ayewa. One polling unit.
The code of Ayewa.
The code of that polling unit.
Yes.
That's what I want to give you, sir.
Wait. Wait, Prof. Sit down.
Sorry, sir.
Just say polling unit code so many number. That's all they want here. Yes, in that order. Just organize. Don't get off. Just take it easy.
Just a minute.
I think you have it on the summary. You don't have it on summary?
No.
Where is your summary incident sheet? That's the one you will read.
My summary was not in that manner, sir. My summary was actually not in that manner.
They help you. People will help you to sort it out. Because it's... Can you send somebody to assist him to sort it? Maybe try to assist him. It looks like they have so many pieces of paper.
Don't mix them up.
Yes.
This is 5. That is 5. Then that is the 1. Okay. Now,
which one do you have now?
Yes, I have that.
Use your microphone.
Where's my paper? My own paper. Now I have that of Ayewa. Now that of Ayewa, that is the
Code what?
code 5.
0.
No, that is the area council code, sir.
The unit code.
The registration area code.
It is unit code.
It is not the polling unit code you are talking about. Just the polling unit codes that are affected.
05.
05.
Yes, 05.
01.
Are you sure?
That's what we wrote here.
No, see, this is where the code that are provided for this form, sir. You will have registration area code.
Don't talk. Just finish what you are saying.
We have only registration area code here, sir. Then the next column here is number of affected polling units.
So those affected polling units is the one we are interested in.
In their code.
Just mention the code of the unit and the number.
Okay, let me mention the codes are here.
So
the units that are affected here.
Yes.
One is St. Mary's Primary School, code 1.
So 01. Yes.
Code 001.
Okay. How many?
The next one is
wait. How many number?
817.
Okay, very good. 817.
817.
Good. Next one.
Then next one St. Augustine College. Code 02.
02.
Then the total number is 1024.
1024.
Then we have Central Market, which the code is 03.
03.
Then the total number there is 987.
987. 0997. Okay.
Then we have St. Joseph School, which is code 4.
Okay, 04.
Yes, and the total number there is 1205.
1205, yes.
Then we have near SOT Kato, which is 005.
05, yes.
The total number of registered voter there is 873.
873, yes.
873. And so
these are all.
That is all.
Okay.
That is all for that
all right.
for that area.
So they are not 9 now, they are 5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Who is that?
Thank you so much.
This is the one.
Look at yourself.
Now, the next one is Asuka. Asuka is code 1. Where is 1?
What is the code? What is the code?
Code 01, sir.
01.
Yes.
0. Have 01 in
This one, we are through with this. Have you seen it? Yes. Check. Where are the other ones now?
You didn't arrange this thing well.
This 02. These are valid. These are the valid things. Carry this one.
You said you are looking for 01.
What I'm looking for is not. Ended up capturing all these things. Just keep them there. See the blue. Check. 01.
That is 01.
Asuka. 01.
Asuka, yes, 01.
Yes, sir.
How many number?
You know, Prof, let me say I'm sorry because of the way I package this.
No problem.
That's the problem.
Yes.
So, in that place, 8 polling units were affected.
Okay.
8. Is it not 8 you're seeing here? What did you say? Is it not 8 polling units? Okay. Now, some of them are sub-units.
Sorry.
See, some are voting points. There are 2 voting points in St. Paul.
Have you not compiled this? The difference between voting and polling is it the same? Are they the same?
Yeah, 2 voting points within that polling unit. That is how it is.
Are they not voting points? You don't call the voting points. It's the main listing.
But this is
Okay,
So
hold
now-
on. I think we'll stop you at this point. Go and consult with your ET man and consult this figure. And then come back. We can give you some 5 minutes.
just give me like 10 minutes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please.
It could be more. It could be more.
No, otherwise you go to
Sorry.
5 minutes.
Sorry.
And look, all your colleagues, they brought it in a A4 summary. This one that you're bringing loads of papers. That's why you're getting confused.
This one.
It's another one waiting for take it from all. You can take another one? Okay, please, let's go. So, this one, Kababungu? No? Yes, we will suspend Kababungu for a while until later we'll continue. So, please, photography. Ready? Yes.
Carry this one.
Kababungu, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know you left us at the incident.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so please start from the beginning of your report. Okay, it's not here. Sorry, a minute.
This thing takes longer time to put than what we use.
So far, we have figures from 9 out of the 21 local government areas. We're told that 14 local government areas have submitted their figures right here at the Collation Center, and we'll be looking out for the rest to make it 21. The ANECREC says that this will be concluded today, 9 out of 21. We had the first figures from Ogori Mangogo, also we had Ijumu local government area, Omala local government area, and Jorin, TS Professor Jorin from Adavi local government area gave us those figures. We also have figures from Igala, Mela, and Odolu local government, Okene local government area, Kababunu, which is what we're listening to right now, Kutum Karfe, and Yagba East local government area.
Thank you very much, and ladies and gentlemen here, for giving us a second chance. Prof, really, I have to say that what has happened is because sometimes when you're dealing with crowd, sometimes there could be confusion arising from a lower level. And that has played out here. So, thank you very much, sir. Now, there were a few problems, like I said. And these problems were in a total of 7 words. They were in a total of 7 words.
You know what you do for us?
Then the first...
Wait, we know what they are. Call the word.
Yes.
And the code, and the unit, and the code, and the reason
for the cancellation.
Simple, for each one. Like
Indeed, first of all, the first word here that was brought to me was Ayewa.
Okay, Ayewa.
The code for Ayewa is 05.
Okay.
Then one polling unit was affected.
Okay.
And that polling unit had, the polling unit code is 04. That polling unit code is 04. 04. Is it 004 or 04? 04. Then the total number of registered voters there is 1,002. That is, sorry, 1205. 1205.
Okay.
And the reason for the cancellation, that some hoodlums invaded the polling unit and got away with the ballot boxes. and later the boxes, one was recovered by the police, which was not made available to him because there were issues with the recovery. So he decided now no result from that place.
Next one.
The next one is Asuka. And Asuka, the code for Asuka is 01. 5 polling units were affected. These polling units were 001, then 001 BP. 001 had the total number of registered voters as one. What is this guy writing? Is it 116? 1116. 1116. And then the number, there were people who were also accredited. 104 were already accredited. But there was disruption at the end of the day. They had finished accreditation for all of them. The second one is, I have called 001 BP, which had the total number of 001 and 001 BP is the figure I just gave. That 1116, because they belong to one unit.
But you said
One
they were.
is a voting.
You said they were.
Then the accredited persons, then there were 97. Then the next one is code 002, which had a total number of registered voters at 749, with the number accredited as 158. The next one is area code 005.
I think you are just confusing yourself. I thought you were very ready. This thing you should have just itemized them. It's simple. So that we can, why you find it difficult?
I think I can continue, sir.
Eh?
Can I continue? So, am I too fast, sir?
No, it's not. You are not too fast. You are actually confusing us. Oh my God. So you thought you are too fast. No. You know, it's at the beginning, you said there were 4. But later on you said there were 2. And you stop at 2. So please go back to the beginning. If you let them clearly, how many wards were affected?
The total number of wards in Asuka.
Yes, in Asuka.
No, the total number of wards affected.
I thought the Asuka is a ward.
Probs are yes.
Asuka is a ward.
Asuka is a ward.
Okay, how many wards of Asuka do you have?
How many units, sir?
Yeah, let me know the number first. How many wards were affected?
7, sir.
7 wards.
7 wards, yes.
7 Asukas.
No, 7 wards in the local government area. In the entire local government area, 7 wards were affected.
Very good.
That's what
So
I said.
we are taking the first one now.
Yes.
Which is Asuka.
No, the first one was Ayewa we have taken.
Oh, we have taken Ayewa. It's clear.
Yes.
Okay, the next one is Asuka.
We have taken Ayewa.
Okay.
Now we are in Asuka.
Okay, how many units are affected there?
I said 8.
8. Good.
Yes.
Good. So
There are
list
8.
1,
Now,
2, 3, and 4.
This number here,
Go ahead. Just go ahead.
there is code 001.
Okay.
001.
Yes.
It has a total number of 1116
Okay.
as registered voters.
Okay. Good. Next.
Then the next one, 002. It has 749
Good.
as
Next.
total number of registered voters.
Next.
Then the next is code 005,
Good.
which has 1026
Good. Next.
as total number of registered voters.
Hmm.
Then the next one is 006,
Good.
which had a total number of 1126.
Good.
Then next one, code 007,
Hmm.
which had a total number of 783
Good.
votes. Now, the total number of these votes was 4,800.
Very good.
4,800.
Good. What are the reasons
Now,
for all these cancellations? Are they
The cancellation was that
different reasons or same reasons?
there was total disruption of the election.
All the places?
Yes, sir. As soon as they finished accreditation, the accreditation was not even completed
Yeah.
in some of the places. Then there was a violent disruption.
In all?
Everybody had to run away.
In all?
Yes.
Okay.
So, disruption.
Okay, thank you.
That is the origin of that.
So next one.
Then the third one is Iluke.
So, okay.
Iluke is code 12.
Okay.
Iluke is code 12. Only one polling unit was affected there.
Good.
Only one polling unit was affected,
Good.
and the code for that unit is 001,
Very good.
with a total number of 484 registered voters. Then,
Next one.
all the card readers, they came and took away. They took away all the card readers, and the person's life was also a little at threat. So the police had to evacuate him from that place.
You have the report anyway, is it not? You have reported. You have the formal report on this. No?
Yeah. The reports are with my
No.
EO.
Yes.
They are with the EO.
Eh? Okay.
They are with the EO. But this form also
So
has
this
this
one here,
report. It's also because the reason for cancellation is stated here.
Who is it? Is it not EO?
This is the
You have to
EO.
get that now. You have to get that. Just say you have the report.
Yes, we have.
Eh?
We have.
I have now. Go ahead.
Yes. Then the next one is Okekoko.
Okay.
Okekoko ward, which has a code of 03. A total number of 9 polling units are there. All the 9 polling units were affected. Hello, sir.
Yes.
All the 9 polling
I
units.
two things. Even this one is not working yet.
This thing is off.
Yes. But I think we can listen to you. Go ahead.
I think I can continue.
No, continue.
Yes. So there are 9 polling units there, and all of them were affected in this serial order from code 001 down to code 009.
Okay.
They were all affected. That was the place I said the officer, with the sporadic shooting, had to lie down, and then the police eventually had to evacuate him to our office. Then the next one is Ayetoro. Sorry, the total registered voters there is 6206. 6206. 6206. Then the next one is Ayetoro. Ayetoro Kiri. The code is 11. And then 3 polling units were affected. These polling units, code 001, which had a total of 1040 registered voters. Then 002, which had a total of 911 registered voters. Then we have code 007, with total number of registered voters as 323. In this place, the situation was also very similar. They came and took away the materials, and then the rest of the results that were secured had to be brought to us, and then we accepted those ones and cancelled these ones. Then the next one is Odolu Ward. The code is 04. And then 5 polling units were affected there, beginning from code 001 up to 5. Then code 001 has a total number of registered voters as 1277. Then the next one, code 002, has a total number of registered voters as 1114. 1114. The next was code 003, which has a total number of registered voters as 692. Then the fourth one is code 004, which has a total number of registered voters as 1834. Last but not the least, code 005, which had a total number of registered voters as 1505. This again was as a result of violent disruption. So they were cancelled, and whatever we had left was collated. Then there is one, sir.
There's one more.
Yes, that is the seventh one. I said there were seven.
Okay.
So the seventh one,
Yes.
Oleoke Ofin, the code is 13. The code is 13. Only one polling unit was affected there, and the code is 004. And it has a total number of registered voters as 902. What happened was that the lady that was working there said at a point, some people came to her and collected her result, the result sheet. As soon as she finished signing, that some talk just came, collected the result sheet for governorship election, and tore them and ran away. But she was able to secure the one of senatorial election. So she brought a complete result for senatorial election and governorship election without one polling unit. So we accepted the remaining results and cancelled the one that they tore the material. Okay. So that is our story, sir. Thank you for your patience, sir.
Summary.
Yeah, give them the
The summary. Okay. Sorry, sir, is asking for a summary.
Yes.
The summary, that is the total number of registered voters there in all of these that have been cancelled. Number of RAs is 7. Have you taken that?
Yes.
Thank you. Then the next one is total number of PUs. Total number of PUs. This is 6, 7, 16, 19, 20, 25. There are 25. There are 25. There are 25. Then the total number of registered voters in these 25 polling units is 22293. 22293. That is the total, sir.
Okay, any question for Kababulu? No, there are two hands. Please, starting from you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Adachi Alex, representing APDEM. I want the returning officer to tell us the difference between the total vote cast and the council vote. We need to know. It's as if the entire, almost all the polling units in Kawabunu were cancelled. And if you cannot do that, then there will be need to cancel Kawabunu local government entirely. Thank you.
Okay, just clearly,
Yeah.
total number of votes cast.
Yes.
And those cancelled.
Yes.
Don't go to any story. Just
There's no story there. See, my brother that asked the question, listen very well. If the summary here that I read to you, the total number of accredited voters, I gave the figure as 26660. And the total number of valid votes, I gave that figure as 23969. The ones that were rejected were 422. I gave you that figure. And you are asking for reasons for cancellation,
no.
which we have given.
Cancellation,
So,
Wait. Please allow him. Wait. Allow him. You wanted cancellation or rejected vote? The council vote. Those are the ones from this incident place. This is the one you want.
Okay. Now, the reason for cancelling votes.
Just the number of council votes.
The total number of votes that have been cancelled.
Yes.
I just told him here that 22293.
Very good. 22293. Yeah?
I just announced 22293.
22293.
93.
No. Could it be so? It's all right.
That's 22,293.
Council.
Yes. From seven registration areas cutting across 25 polling units. So the number I don't think.
So thank you very much. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hold on. You will ask another question, please. Yes.
Honorable Returning Officer.
Yes, please.
Well, I also did statistics in school.
Yeah. Please, let's have some silence. Please. Yes, go ahead.
I said I did statistics at school. Yeah. When you do accreditation, that's the beginning of the election process. If you are accredited 26,660, at that time the ballot has not started. So if you are cancelling 22,000, you are coming out of the 26,000. So you cannot have this result for APC and PDP and other parties. So that means there was no election in Kabasku. So the council was never after accreditation.
You made a point. That's why we want to give you enough time to tell us what you want, so that let it not be a mix-up from him. Let us know exact record. So please, you made a point. Go back. Tell us.
What is it? Okay.
Tell us the number accredited. Number of voters accredited. And then the number cancelled.
No, Prof. I think. Can you give the.
Wait, let us give the benefit of doubt. Wait, please.
The response to what?
Nothing. It is what? Yeah, well, it is what? Give me the benefit of doubt. Let me explain.
That's not the first
Yes.
of that.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Give me the mic, quick. Prof, sir, this is mixing up two issues.
Okay.
Now he's comparing the total number of rejected votes. So no, the total number of cancelled votes. He's comparing it with total number of accredited voters. That is wrong. He can only compare with the total number of registered voters. You say you are a statistician.
No. Let me help you. Please listen. If you are still not clear, you can only equate rejected vote and accredited voters number.
Yes.
The council voters will be in line with the total number of votes.
Yes.
Is it not so? No. He is given the statistics of the number of voters in those units that were cancelled, not that those were accredited. The two are different, and that is right. Is it not so? It's right. Yes, it's right. It's cancelled completely, so you are only equating the number of voters that are affected by that. Maybe if you go again, all of them will come. So we have to state how many are there waiting. I think we're clear. Thank you very much. Now you can take your leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay. Ask your hold.
Sir, in the case of Kabakunu,
Yes.
I think for the benefit of doubt,
Yeah.
we will need to reconcile the total number of council votes,
Okay.
as received by him,
Okay.
compared to
Your own.
areas where votes were cancelled for disruption and ballot snatching that my agent sent to me. In this instance, I have the report, and some of the units are quite different and are not reflected.
So as usual, using your own information, you can actually complain. But it will not make us refuse to accept this now. I mean, yes. So as usual, I know you have a good understanding of the system.
Yes.
So please, we are waiting for, we expect that to come in your own report.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Prof,
So we can allow him to go ahead.
just 1 second for me, sir.
Wait, yeah. Okay.
I will correct you. It's very important to, Prof, it's very important to, it's very important.
Very important.
Yes.
Okay, give him.
Give me the microphone.
Yes.
You see, Prof, let me stand up and say this thing very clearly.
Yes.
This country that is, we have to change our way of putting this country together.
Yes.
Because the way we want to look at this country, if we continue with that kind of sight about ourselves and our country, we are certainly reaching nowhere.
You know,
in the night, sir.
Wait.
In the night,
These
sir.
are not your students, they are politicians.
I know,
Leave
sir.
them with the problem.
Yes, sir.
Just do your work. You have done your work. Please just go. Just don't worry. Don't go in.
Why I'm saying that, sir?
No need. No need. Don't join issue. What's your problem? Don't join issue. They have the right to say whatever they want to say. Just don't join issue, please. No.
All right. Finally, the figures there from Kababunu local government area. Professor Emmanuel Oloye bringing the sermon this Sunday, talking about the figures there from Kababunu local government area. And he had given those figures before and was asked to go back and get his figures together. He got them together and came back, felt the need to explain every single one of them. Very interesting figures there from Kababunu with 22,293 cancelled votes on 25 polling units. And of course, you heard the agents there calling for cancellation of the elections in Kababunu if these many votes were cancelled. 6 RASs with issues. Violence in Hayewa, Asuka, Ayetoro, which is the polling unit of Senator Dino Melaye. Olaudu Word, 5 polling units there. Oloeke Ofin, a lot of these places with issues of violence during the elections yesterday. The figures there from Kababunu local government area, the APC, 15,364 votes. The People's Democratic Party with 8,084 votes.